These heavy thunderstorms we've been watching all day on Wednesday, finally moving south of the Birmingham area, and it looks like for the rest of the evening, the risk of severe weather is limited to central and south Alabama. The northern half of the state is cleared from any significant severe weather threat at this point. So here's the timeline as of 3 p.m. Threat ending north of Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Pell City, Oxford, and Anniston. That includes Cullman, Huntsville, Decatur, Fort Payne, Albertville, Jasper, and Hamilton. To the south, it gets a little muddier down here around parts of Tuscaloosa County, Bibb County, Chilton County. The initial wave of storms that's in East Alabama is moving out. But there are more storms in eastern Mississippi that are moving in, and those will primarily stay in this zone, southwest of Birmingham and really south of Tuscaloosa toward places like Greensboro and Demopolis for the rest of this evening. So again, the timeline without all the different colors on it, we see the threat ending for the Birmingham area northward, and then about 6 to 8 p.m., these storms will start to clear out of central and south Alabama. By 5 p.m., most of the storms are gone, but remember, these are really active over here. The short-term modeling's not really picking up on that through 5 p.m., so Sumter, Green, Hale, Marengo, I think the threat is a little higher than what you might just perceive based on the Futurecast radar. By 7 o'clock, we're going to get a breather. 8 o'clock, a few more showers and storms are building. Some really intense ones are expected down in South Alabama. And then in spite of the fact we've had so much rain today, we're going to start to destabilize again. And by 1 o'clock in the morning, new heavy thunderstorms start building northward. Some of these potentially could be severe down mainly to the south through Perry, Hale, Greene, and Sumter counties, and then over into eastern Mississippi. As those move northbound through early tomorrow morning, we're still talking about really heavy rain in Chilton and Hale and Greene and Tuscaloosa and Pickens counties, a lot of thunder and lightning, and then occasional thunderstorms even farther north of there where we've seemed to have just been able to completely rob the atmosphere of moisture so far today by dropping temperatures off into the 60s. It has been an incredible day of thunderstorms across the deep south. Multiple tornadoes have been reported, and we have more active weather ahead. There's an impact day on Thursday, a good chance of more scattered thunderstorms, especially over the southern half of central Alabama. Friday and Saturday, it's more hit or miss storms. And then I think we're going to get another hefty band of storms similar to what we've had today going into Sunday, Sunday morning, Sunday midday. And then we can't even shake the storms going into next week. Just a very stormy setup for us. So multiple days of heavy rain and storms ahead. I think South Alabama is going to get the brunt of this. Some places more than 6 inches of rain. But even around Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Jasper, Gadsden, Anniston, Cullman, Florence, Decatur, Huntsville, maybe 2 or 3 inches with a few spots getting as much as 4+ through the next 7 days.